While Obama is on vacation in Bali, he is posing in front of the photographers smiling like he has no worries, so that the American can see how careless he is. Anyhow, Trey Gowdy isn't falling for this. He believes that Obama is on vacation, because Loretta Lynch investigation is bringing up a lot of speculations on him. Gowdy finds Obama's vacation to be suspicious because of the timing, as the Senate and House Intel committees just started an investigation into Loretta Lynch's activities. Obama decided to take his family away from America into Indonesia. As reports are showing, Trey is planning to ask Obama few questions, like is he planning to come back from Bali, and why did Obama cover the DNC when it wasn't allowed the federal government access to its hacked server, in addition, to investigate and find out whose foul it was. Let me hazard a wild guess. There may be something else on that server they didn't want law enforcement to see? That is where you start. I don't like speculating, but I have dealt in the past with victims that would not cooperate with investigations. Typically, the reason is, there is something else you don't want law enforcement to see, Gowdy said on Fox News. Also, there is the fact that Obama knew about the meeting between Lynch and Clinton, and did nothing about it. Instead he did shady businesses and deals to help the DLC and the Hillary Clinton campaign. Susan Rice is the one responsible for exposing General Michael Flynn, which is a federal crime. Obama's two top officials are now exposed for committing serious crimes, and he decides to take a vacation. This is little suspicious. Please share this post on Facebook if you agree with Trey. What is your opinion on this? Scroll down to comment below.